Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will learn some more important program that is to print the lower and upper diagonal elements. So this is the program for that, and we'll see the line by line explanation for this. So here import java.util.scanner. So here we declare like we import the scanner class so we can read input from the user here. And here public class diagonal elements. So it declares a public class name diagonal elements. So Java program starts execution from the main method inside the class. So here public static void main of string array args. This is the main method and where the program execution starts. So here scanner equal to new scanner of system.in. So it creates a scanner object to take input from the user via the keyboard. And then here the first step, like input the matrix is system.out.print of enter the size of the square matrix. So here prompts the user to enter the size of n of the matrix here. So that is we declare n here, like n int n equal to scanner dot next int of. So it reads the matrix size and like an integer here we are enter. So here int array matrix equal to new int of n by n matrix here we given like you declares like 2D array matrix of size that is n by n. N is nothing but here we enter the size of the square matrix, right? That is the n value. And here system.out.println of enter the elements of the matrix. So here same prints the prompts the user to input the elements of the matrix. And here for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Inside the for loop, we have one more for loop for int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. So matrix of ij equal to scanner dot next int of. So here these two nested for loops here and read the matrix elements row by row and store them in here like 2D array matrix. The name of the 2D array is like matrix. And here like print the diagonal like upper diagonal elements like including main diagonal. Here I declare. So here system.out.println of upper diagonal elements. So like it prints a heading on the upper diagonal part of the output here. And here one more nested for loop. So here int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus here. So if j greater than I, system.out.print of matrix of ij. Else it's for spacing here. That's why here I given. And first I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus here. So it is like outer loop goes through like each row. And here in j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus here. So it is the inner loop goes through each column here. And here if j greater than I here, so greater than or equal to I here. So system.out.print of matrix of ij. So if the column index is like a greater than or equal to the row index, so that is like on or above the main diagonal. So it prints the elements here. Else system.out.print of spacing for alignment. So it is not the part of the upper diagonal. It prints like print spaces for formatting here. System.out.println of here. So this is for like after each row print a new line, right? So to move to the next row, that's why here I'm using system.out.println of. So here one more diagonal elements like another diagonal like lower diagonal elements. So including the main diagonal here. So here for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. For int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus here. So if I greater than or equal to j, here j greater than or equal to I, here I greater than or equal to j. So the same like uh, previous one. So like that. So first system.out.println of lower diagonal element. So here it prints a heading for the lower diagonal part, and the entire for loop like nested for loop is for printing the lower diagonal elements. So similarly as like before, like as above. So but this time for the lower diagonal. So like meaning elements where the row index is greater than or equal to column index. So like on or below the main diagonal. So yeah, like that. And here scanner dot close off. So it closes the scanner object to free up the system resources. And yeah, this is the program for that. And this is the simple program. So yeah, now we'll save the program and see what the output is here. Control S, run the program. So here, enter the size of the square matrix. So for example, if we enter, I'll enter a 3 by 3 matrix. So 3, enter the elements of the matrix. So here I enter some random numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. So here upper diagonal elements are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 9, and lower diagonal elements are like 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, this is the program. I hope you like the video. Please share, like, and subscribe and comment. Thank you.